Good morning, guys! Today is Saturday. Ang bilis ng araw. It's Saturday and Sunday na naman. Then goes to Monday. So today we are planning to film the fire noodle challenge because finally natanggap ko na yung package ko from Shopee. So we could film now the challenge. And I'm waiting for Sashi because she's still at school and I think she comes home like 1 o'clock. So I'll just be waiting for her, and while I'll be waiting for her, I will just eat lunch and maliligo kasi hindi pa ako naliligo, guys. So yun yung agenda natin today, and I don't know what to do today because Saturday usually is relaxed day kasi bukas meron na namang PTCA meeting sa school. And medyo mahabang oras na naman yun. So, yeah. I don't know if I could vlog a lot today, but let's see. So, kain muna tayo guys ng lunch. And my lunch would be, papakita ko sa inyo. Yung lunch natin. Rice, humba, and Milo. So, I took a shower already, guys. And it is 5:45 already. Oh, by the way, I'm not naked. Have towel on. So, I was checking my video. So, it is still rendering and yeah, nagre-render pa siya. And I think medyo matagal pa siya, guys, kasi medyo mahaba yung vlogs. I think it's like 40 minutes or something. Pero, yun nga, 40 minutes or something. And I'm so sorry if medyo mahaba yung vlogs. Ewan ko, I don't know, maybe, kasi compile ko yung from, I don't know, maybe around 5 days yata na footage. So, yeah. Because I wanted to upload it, isahan lang. I don't want to upload videos every day. So, that's why, kinocompile ko siya for isang vlog. So, maybe, ewan ko, maybe it takes 2 hours to render that, but mabilis lang naman yan mag-upload. So, magbibihis muna ako, guys. And, I don't know if kung matutuloy kaming mag-film ni Sashi ng Fire Noodle Challenge kasi, tingnan nyo, she doesn't feel like it. And, we need to buy like Mountain Dew na lang siguro for our drinks kasi 'di ba medyo maanghang 'yon, but I don't know, maybe we'll just do it tomorrow na lang because it's starting to get dark already and it's rainy day today. I like it. I like the rainy days. Yung rainy days lang na hindi yung malakas yung ulan, ha, yung lang maambon-ambon because yeah, para at least lumamig naman yung paligid natin. And it feels like I'm in Japan because as you can see outside, no, makulimlim siya, guys, and it's always like that around winter and spring. Makulimlim most of the days. So yeah, magbibihis muna ako, okay? Oh my god, dushta. Oh, I can see your nipples. Yeah.
Why?
Baba. May project doon eh. Sneaky desk. Ikura. Per day.
Nani?
Ikura.
Nani ya?
Rate. How much is your rate per day, sir?
Nada.
Naika. Tada ka?
Tada yo.
Ine.
Kore manayo.
Hoy. Don't be skibi. Don't be. Guys, naririnig nyo ba yung comment below if yung tunog ng palaka sa inyo is like that.
Hey yo. Can you comment below if you know what?
No, sinabi ko na. Ano?
Repeat.
What?
Repeat.
I don't wanna repeat. I want to see you eh.
What's
This is your day.
Your day, good. Puti bira ko sinuta.
Wow, it's so mabushi. We are going to watch The Mummy.
The mommy, mama.
Because it's Saturday, di ba ba? But Anma already watched Mummy. They're ready. Okay. Bye. Nasaan ako? Naikataka na.
Armanet was reborn. A monster. Eternal darkness. But death is a doorway, and the past cannot remain buried forever.
Good morning, guys! So, we're getting ready. We're in a hurry na because we need to go. Why ba? Hi, Ranay? Di masulod? Are you sure? Wait lang. Wait lang. I'm gonna spray my face. Shake, shake, shake. Yo. Amoy laway pa rin. Hey, bye! Hi, Bon.
Kira sa likod.
Yumi daw ba?
No! Ati Batuti.
Our lunch, my super. Of course, the French fries girl, the cheeseburger girl, and the chicken boy.
Chicken boy. Hey, hey.
The comment ni Mama, chicken boy.
Hey,
Mine is beef girl. Oh, we are at Burger King, by the way, guys. I'm gonna eat mine now. So, BTS, guys, finally we are going to do the fire noodle challenge. This is my cameraman, Baba. And this is the sound girl. Nag-listen na sa sound. Direct. That is Direct. Okay, hi Direct. Sash is here. So, yay! We're doing finally the fire noodle challenge. Yeah, it's so bright. So, sige na guys. Back to business, okay? Bye-bye! So, as you... Bye! We just finished film another challenge video. And it is... and it is so hot. Wow, look at Ati's dance. Yeah, guys. So, we're done. It's a wrap. And... see you tomorrow, I guess. I'm all sweaty. So that's it for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Wow, may ano pa, may basta yung parang concert ni Beyonce na buho. Oh my gosh, my face looks so red. Yeah, basta. Oh my gosh, naka-on kasi yung yung electric fan, guys, kaya ganito. So, yun. Ano ba? Good morning to everybody. So, I think matutulog muna ako kasi I've been up since 5 a.m. because kasi nga the kids they're in school. They're in school. Ano ba? What's wrong with me? I cannot talk today. So, yun nga, they're going to school and I need to prepare them for school. So, yun. And I've also uploaded my... Oh, today is Monday, by the way. And I also uploaded my video, my uploaded video today. So, because it's Monday. So, yun. And it's already 8 a.m. and I know, my head aches and just a little TMI, guys. Yesterday kasi we did the yun, fire noodle challenge, and medyo masakit yung tiyan ko ngayon. And yun nga, a little TMI, when I poop this morning, oh my gosh, medyo basa-basa yung ano natin, guys. Oh my god, this is such a TMI. But yun nga yung nangyari. Yun yung aftermath ng fire noodle challenge. And si Sashi nga kahapon, after we ate the noodle, she immediately went to the toilet. Yun, so yun yung nangyari sa akin ngayon, kaya I feel a little dizzy and something and headachy. So maybe I'll just sleep like an hour or 2, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, gigising ako ng around mga 10, and then I need to fold some clothes kasi medyo messy na dito sa kwarto. And yun, I don't know what else to do. Maybe I have to do nails today. And yeah, yun lang for this morning, and I'll see you later. Hi guys, it's lunch na. I just started editing the videos that we filmed yesterday, and break muna. We need to eat lunch. Rookie's there, and nauna na siyang kumain ng lunch. So, iniinit ko muna yung pagkain, yung ulam, and gulay yung ulam namin ngayon. It is utan Bisaya. Basta, I don't know what's that called in Tagalog, but it is utan Bisaya, or sari-saring gulay na may sabaw, or I think merong commercial niyan eh. Nakalimutan ko. What's that called? Hello? Yeah. Diba, Sweet? What's the commercial about the, yung gulay na may sabaw? Comment below, guys, kung alam niyo yung commercial na yun, kasi I really forgot. Basta meron nun eh, yung parang, Maggi ba yun? Maggi or something, I don't know. Basta, meron yun. Sikat pa nga yun eh. Mainit na ba? My ulam is boiling na. So, I'll see you later. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Wow, it's so hot. I'm gonna turn on the lights muna. So, ito nga. So, ito na yung lunch ko, guys. Lunch namin pala. Simple lang. Yan, utan Bisaya. Or, sinabawang gulay. Yun ba yun? I don't know. But, fried fish, bangus, and I don't know what's the name of that one. And, of course, suka. Kain tayo! I'm just gonna curl my lashes quickly. Wow. I'm already sweating. Chotomate, sweet. Chotomate na. Oh, by the way, this is my hair and make mascara. Diba? It is so different from Maybelline. My lashes looks longer and thicker. Sana bumalik na yung lashes ko, guys. Tagal-tagal na nilang iniwan ako. My lashes. Oy, Chotomate, why are you talking to me? I'm talking to the camera. Diba? Bongga. So, if you compare it sa, yun nga, yung sa Maybelline, diba? Mas obvious to. Mas kitang-kita. That's why I like it. As a new toy, we let show them.
Low budget electric pan.
Oh, it's better, you know, because you don't need battery.
Multi-purpose. Can you be used for razor? Ay, balang ko kalingawan na.
Hello, Doki! Benny! Oh my God, Stam is so excited. Hello, look at Ben. Hello, down, 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 down. Oh my God, oh my God. Ayun, dirty na ko. Ben, oh my God, the dogs are so excited to see me. There are Ben and Tommy. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. May bunga na yung papaya namin. Yay, finally, but hindi pa siya hinog. Still a long way to go. And how many? We thought na hindi na siya magkakaroon ng bunga. But sabi nga ng mama ko, baka lalaki yung papaya na to. But it's not may bunga na siya. And yeah, so excited for that because I love papayas. And isasaw-saw ko sa suka. Oh guys, this is oh no, kukuha muna ako ng tinapay. Bibigyan ko sila ng tinapay, guys. Down, 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 down. Oh no, wait. I said down. Sarap dito sa labas, guys. Medyo mahangin. And yeah, in a while, we are going to fetch the kids na. So, magpapahangin muna ako dito sa labas. And I gave the dogs food. Tinapay. I should not give them bread because it's not good for their teeth. But, yeah, who cares? They're hungry. They wanna eat. So, yun. Oh, look at our... Oh, ano ba yan? Anong nangyayari dito? Halaman niya ni mother, and it's starting to get it's starting to look like jungle here already. We need to dispose these other plants here. Tingnan nyo guys, ang laki-laki na nito. And I don't know what's the name of this, but my mother said that this is lalaki. It's a boy daw. May ganun ba? May ganun ba sa halaman yung you call it boy or a girl? I know, but yeah. Maraming iba. So, yun. Baka aalis na kami. I'm gonna go outside na and call Rookie kasi 4:30 na. See you guys. Finished sa Ayala because Baba sinira ni Baba yung kanyang shoes. That's why we came here. My gosh. Di man lang nagsabi na nasira yung shoes niya. OMG. So, we're going home na guys. Oh my gosh. Hanap muna kami ng makakain kasi gutom na kami. Okay, I'll see you later. Charot, dila siya.
Awan, balik lagi ang Lois.
But I don't like low waist.
Oh.
Because
Okay,
paano na
ganyan
yung
lang.
yung tiyan.
Then the style yan.
Ay, low waist pa rin. We're on our way to Jollibee. Yan. Because Baba wants to eat hamburger. Burger. Yeah, Jollibee na. Ito na kami sa Jollibee, guys. It's been a while. Baba lang yung kamain. And they have Coco Panda. Wow, Baba. Fries monster. We're waiting for our burger. That's why I don't like coming here because ang tagal. Haggard na yung face ko. Diba ba? But Baba wants to eat burger. Nakauwi na din kami after a long traffic. A long traffic daw. Yeah, we went to Ayala and it's so far and Baba's eating her cheeseburger. Oh no, it's not cheeseburger because it's from Jollibee. I think it is called yum. Yum with cheese. Yum with cheese.
Yum cheeseburger.
Huh? Yum with cheese. Oh my god. Excuse me, my hair is so... So yun, nakauwi na kami. We did an emergency. We bought a shoes. Di ba ba? Kasi, oh my gosh, nasira na yung shoes niya and pangalawang burger na niya yan, guys. She said she wants to eat burgers. Tapos na yung probinsyano. Buti naman at nakahabol kami sa probinsyano. And chill muna. And I'm gonna say goodnight. Bukas na naman, guys. Bye! Guys, good morning. So today, wow, my cheeks is so big. So it's currently like, it's almost 12. It's 11:30 and I am getting ready for a client today. I have a makeup client today. So I'm getting my stuff ready because I haven't put them out yet. So this is my box and yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Magmamadali muna ako, okay? So, tapos ko nang i-blow dry yung mga brushes, guys. I know it's bad for the brushes kasi matutunaw yung glue. But, since this is a very short notice appointment and I still have my brushes, ginamit ko din siya kahapon. So, after ko ginamit kahapon, right after ginamit ko siya kahapon, nilinis ko din siya kagabi and it did not dry that fast. Yeah, it usually if I wash my brushes, it dries like after a day. So since kagabi ko lang siya nilabhan, so it didn't dry that well, so I blow dried them. Yeah, life of a makeup artist though. So eto yung setup ko, guys. My chair. Yan. Tapos nandiyan na yung light. And yeah, ganito lang. Simple. And I also have plastic para sa mga basura. Para sa mga used cotton swabs. And ito lang. Ito lang. Very simple. Yan. Ito lang. Wow, looks so good here. So I'm just waiting for my client and yeah, I'm just waiting for them. They've called already. So yun lang, chill muna. And be back. too bad. Yeah, I always see to it that I don't make a lot of clutter after I finish because ako din yung magsasuffer after sa pagliligpit. So, yan. So, tapos na guys. Wow, look at my face. So greasy. So, quickly, I'm just going to arrange everything and alis na kami kasi hatid pa namin sila. Bye! See you later! Guys, good morning! Good morning! I'm gonna show you what I use on my as my setting spray for today. Yeah, I've used this one from Zizan. It's their Make Keep Mist. Weird. Sounds weird. Yeah, and this is for all skin type. Diba? It won't focus. So, this doesn't smell bad like the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is how it looks like. And mother is cooking pansit na naman. So, eto na naman tayo. It's lunchtime already, and my lunch for today, guess what? Try to so, eto na nga yun guys, yung lunch ko. Pansit, tinapay. Yeah, mother likes to cook pancit and I like pancit too because masarap naman siya. In fairness, I like pancit. If I'm going to compare it with spaghetti, depends on what spaghetti, but maybe I will choose pancit because mother's pancit is just the best. And meron din tayong bangos dito and I'm drinking Milo because I cannot drink coffee now. I cannot drink coffee now. Ano ba yan? Medyo it's not good for me, coffee. So, I'm refraining from drinking it. But there are times that I really wanted to drink coffee because that's my life. Coffee is my life, man. Before, when I was still in Japan, I drink coffee in the morning. Like, I drink coffee even in the evening, like before I go to sleep, and surprisingly, I could sleep. But nowadays, I try to refrain eating because it's not good for me, and sometimes it keeps me from sleeping. So, yeah. I just miss my coffee, guys. So, let's eat and maybe I'll do some editing later. And today's day is just a chill day again. And it's such a beautiful day today, guys. The wind is so cold outside. Yeah, I really like it. I'm happy that summer's over because I don't know. It's just so hard. It's hard to sweat a lot, you know. It's so hard. Like when you feel sticky, your head, you need to shampoo your hair every day because no, hindi talaga pwede if you won't shampoo your hair. When I was in Japan, I shampoo my hair like after 3 days or sometimes straight 4 days or 5 days. I don't shampoo my hair. But here, Kinet. So, yun lang. And later, aalis na naman. And maybe I'll see you tonight. I don't have a lot of interesting things to do today to show to you. Or, yeah, maybe let's see. So, see you later na lang, guys. Bye-bye, Tam. Wait, Ben. Kabalik ang abaw. Bye! Everybody, good morning! Dali, ate! Because pumasok na si Benay. Bye-bye, Ben! Wow, I slept like, I just woke up there. Yeah, and it's already almost 2:30 and I haven't eaten lunch. Like, I haven't eaten my first day of the day. Grabe, I don't know. You see my face so oily and lalunch muna ako and I don't know. Yeah. Grabe, ewan ko. Nakatulog ako talaga. I slept from when we went to Colony to do some groceries and we got home here like around 9:30. And then after that, like around 10, nakatulog ako. Yeah. Ngayon lang ako nagising. It's already like 3:30 and I haven't taken a shower, yeah. So today is just a chill day. I don't know if I will be doing mother's nails because we are planning to do gel nail on her. So I'm gonna look for my gel nail, I guess. Yeah, and I think Rookie is going to fetch the kids alone. Oh, look at my face. It's so shiny. Because I haven't taken a shower. I just washed my face this morning and I did some brows because we went to go grocery shopping. Oh, that's me. That's me over there. So, yeah, yun. I guess, I don't know if we will still do gel nail. Let's see. I'm gonna look for my gel nail now.
May nakita akong bayabas dito guys. Yan yung kasama niya. Yan. Hinog na. Tapos kinuha ko. Eto. Ito na. Yay! Gonna eat. Gaba. Meron pa dun oh. Sa taas yata. And there are a lot here. But there are still very little. I don't know. This is they call Bisaya. But yeah, it's so little. I don't know if it's going to ripen.
Tastes so good. It's not overripe. Sometimes you forgot to take everything because there's a lot of guava. And sometimes it's overripe. But this one, it's pretty good. Bye-bye.
Wow.
No! Really like that. Bye-bye, Clip. This is the finished product, guys. We did a gel nail on mother, so this is her design. I have mine too. So we did ombre, glitter ombre, green glitter ombre on her because she said she likes this one, and yeah, it looks pretty cute. What can you say, mother?
It's nice.
Really? Do you like it? Do you like it? So this is it.
This is it. Come.
Uy, so kay move. Uy, ito na, di makita. Iba na lang. Okay. Finished doing mother's nail. I did her nail. We did gel nail. And yeah, I think it's a wrap today. I think it's a wrap today and for this week's vlog. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. And I do hope that you've enjoyed this week's vlog, and I hope to see you on my next one. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye.